Thinking about buying something big, maybe a brand new laptop, the latest smartphone, or even a car? We all love new stuff, but let's be real. Big purchases can be stressful if you're not financially prepared. The good news? You don't need to panic. Today, we're breaking down how to budget for major purchases without the stress. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save smart and buy big without regrets. Number 1. Setting a smart goal. First things first, decide what you want to buy and why. The biggest mistake people make is impulse buying without proper planning. So ask yourself, do I really need this? What features are most important? And how soon do I need it? Let's say you're looking at a new phone. Do you need the latest model, or will last year's flagship do just fine? Prioritizing your purchase helps you stay focused and avoid unnecessary expenses. Remember, just because it's expensive doesn't mean it's a smart buy. Another pro tip, write down your goal. Studies show that writing down financial goals increases the chances of achieving them. So grab a notepad or use a budgeting app to track your progress. Number 2, research and price tracking. Now that you've picked what you want, it's time to do some homework. Prices fluctuate, and retailers love to play pricing games. That's why you should track the price for a while before making your move. Use tools like Honey or Google Shopping to compare prices. Set price alerts on major e-commerce websites. And most importantly, time your purchase around sales events. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and even back-to-school sales could save you hundreds of dollars. Oh, and one more thing, always check for hidden fees, shipping costs, or additional taxes. The sticker price isn't always the final price. Want to go the extra mile? Check out open box or refurbished items. Many companies sell like-new products at a steep discount with warranties included. You could save big without sacrificing quality. Number 3, creating a savings plan. All right, let's talk money. Once you know your target price, break it down into smaller savings goals. Let's say you want a $1,200 laptop in 6 months. Just save $200 per month. It sounds way easier when you break it down, right? To make saving effortless, consider setting up a dedicated savings account. Some banks even allow you to name your accounts, like Dream Laptop Fund. Watching your savings grow with a purpose makes it much easier to stay disciplined. Another hack? Automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking to your savings account. This way, you're consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. Number 4. Cutting unnecessary expenses. Let's be honest, we all have spending habits we can improve. Want to speed up your savings? Identify areas where you can cut back. Check your monthly subscriptions. Are you actually using all of them? That gym membership you haven't touched in months? Cancel it. Streaming services you barely watch? Say goodbye to them. Also, those little expenses, like that daily Starbucks coffee or eating out multiple times a week, add up fast. Just cutting back on a few small things can save you an extra $100 or more per month. That's money you can put toward your big purchase instead. Here's a challenge. Track your expenses for a week. You might be surprised where your money is going. Once you see it, you can make small changes that add up to big savings. Number 5. Boosting your income. Saving money is great, but making more money? Even better. If you want to reach your goal faster, try increasing your income. Sell things you no longer use, old gadgets, clothes, furniture. One person's trash is another's treasure. You can also pick up a side hustle. Maybe drive for a rideshare service, do freelance work online, or even start selling handmade crafts. More money coming in means faster savings, and before you know it, you'll hit your goal way ahead of schedule. Bonus idea: if you get a work bonus, tax refund, or unexpected cash gift, put it toward your savings goal instead of spending it right away. That can give you a huge boost. Number 6. Using smart payment strategies. So you've saved enough. Now it's time to buy. But wait, before you check out, let's talk about smart payment strategies. If you're using a credit card, look for 0% interest financing options. Many retailers offer interest-free payment plans, but make sure you can pay off the balance before the promotional period ends. Otherwise, you'll get hit with high interest. Cashback credit cards can also work in your favor. Some cards offer up to 5% cashback on big purchases. Why not get some money back while you shop? Another option? Consider buying with cash. If you can afford to pay in full without financing, you avoid debt and interest altogether. Plus, many stores offer cash discounts. Number 7. Final check before purchasing. You're almost there, but before you make that final purchase, do a last-minute check. Do you still want it? Sometimes after saving, you realize you don't actually need it. Is this the best price? Check if there are any last-minute discounts or coupons. Will this fit into your budget without causing financial stress? If the answer to all of these is yes, congratulations. You just made a smart, stress-free purchase. Want to go the extra step? Consider resale value. Some products hold their value better than others. If you think you might sell your item in the future, look into brands and models that have good resale potential. Final thoughts. And there you have it. Budgeting for a big purchase doesn't have to be stressful. It just takes a little planning. What's your next big purchase? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. See you in the next video.